first step in the bird dog exercise is to find a neutral spine position, as seen here. While maintaining the neutral spine position, extend the opposite arm and opposite leg, creating tension all along that line. While maintaining tension, draw small, controlled boxes with the opposite arm and opposite leg. Common mistakes are extending the leg up instead of back and losing that neutral spinal position. And don't forget the other side. We always want to maintain symmetry in our exercises.